Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 104 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge, where we are finishing up on repeated notes with exercise 153.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Okay, so exercise 153. Again, we have this issue with the aspirates. And I said in exercise 152 that I kind of disagree with using aspirates, and I'm going to stick to it here because I think there is another way around with this. Instead of thinking aspirate, right, because that's an extra release of breath pressure that I don't think we need, can you think about it as detached so that you're making the repeated note clear? I'm not saying staccato. I'm saying something like this. I think that's kind of a better way. That's how I would approach a repeated note in my repertoire. If I saw that written in like a Verdi aria, that's how I would do it. I would do That's tricky as you come down into that lower passaggio. But that is really what I would say. Just be careful that you're not aspirating where you don't have to, because that's just a waste of breath.